Welcome to Frank Bruno Law, a continuing series, 34, Common Estate Planning Traps and how to avoid them. We are up to number 20, Tax Blunders for those with significant and substantial estates. So number 20 is not doing any planning to reduce estate tax. So we are very fortunate in New York State in that you can, let's fix it the shirt. We're very lucky because if you have up to $5 million, you can pass New York State estate tax free. And if you're a couple, you have up to 10 million. But with 4 people that have substantial estates, you should do planning, right? There's a number of ways that we can use charities, charitable deductions, the marital exemption, give money through our estate planning vehicles, most probably a trust, but it could be a will, up to certain exclusion amounts, right? We take a look at the entirety of your estate. Sure. The entirety of your estate, and we take care of it through proper planning in advance. So an example really is actor Philip Seymour Hoffman. He died with an estate of about $35 million. He did not have a trust set up. He didn't have an effective estate plan, and he was not married. So he had 2 children with his longtime partner, Mimi O'Donnell, and he left her. She was his heir, and she also received a tax bill of about $15 million. So, Mr. Hoffman, tragically as he passed, during his life, he did not believe in setting up a trust for his children. He didn't want them to become spoiled. It's laudable. However, he could have done a trust with restrictions in place where there'd be a little bit of money for the children, preservation of the estate assets, perhaps to really promote the children to not be spoiled. He could have given them a sum of money based on milestone events, right? If you finish college, a certain amount, master's degree, a certain amount, have a job for a year, a certain amount, have a job or some type of career for 5 years, a certain amount. Maybe whatever your salary is, we would match something. There are innumerable things that Mr. Hoffman or any person can do to prevent the thought that, hey, I don't want my kids to be trust fund babies spoiled. Out of his $35 million, $15 million will go to taxes. That's, with proper planning, a situation like that can be avoided. And we can plan to reduce estate taxes for those with sizable assets. So if you have substantial assets, reach out to me. If you have any questions, irrespective of your estate size, please reach out to me. FrankBrunoLaw.com. Thank you.